Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We're doing The Thing. So if you are lost and completely clueless, you know how this goes. Anyway, if you read this, right, it'll tell you like, hey, here's what you can do, here's some suggestions. I'm just going to walk you through some basics, okay? So that way there's no confusion. First and foremost, I'm going to make sure that this button is down here. If you watched a previous video, you know that, hey, to get to the next page, I could be like, next page 1, right? That's not going to be very helpful, but next page 1, and then I could be like, well, I want it to go to screen 2, so I don't know what that's talking about, but here we are. So on next page 1, the button, when it's clicked, something happens. What the thing that happens is going to be that it sets the screen to, let's just say screen 2. All right, and let's go back actually and make sure the text on this button says next. Did I pass it? Yes, I did. I'm getting old, y'all. Next, right? Now, this is, I'm going to create a new screen and we're going to call this the home screen. You do not have to do this. I'm just doing this to show you something. Okay, so this is the home screen. We're going to go back to screen 1. So I can also create a back button. Okay, we're going to call this back to home. All right. This is so poorly lined up, but thankfully you guys can do a whole better job than me. Okay, so on this back to home button, right? So we're gonna say back. Let's go ahead and make it so that when it clicks back to home, it sets the screen to home screen. Alrighty, and so now when I, excuse me. Let's make sure home screen is set. So, well, it's not going to do it first. Back. And then next. Awesome. Cool beans. So that works. That's my next and back buttons. That is set. That is all for this.